Listen closely. Because this message is not for the faint-hearted. Not for the ones who sleepwalk through their destiny. Not from the ones who hide from their fire. This is for the warriors. The ones who feel something ancient stirring beneath their ribs. The ones that carry thunder in their spirit. And a quiet, unbreakable strength in their bones. This is for you. For too long, the world has told you to shrink, to sit still, to stay quiet, to soften your power. But the silence is over. The time for waiting is done. The warrior inside you is waking. And it will not go back to sleep. Feel it. That heat in your chest. That electricity running through your spine. That is your calling. Rising. That is your courage. Remembering that your soul is saying, I am ready.